Reaching for the top, a guide to climbing your way to success. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, reaching for the top. This phrase is not only common in everyday English but also embodies a powerful message of ambition, effort, and success. So, whether you're learning English as a new language or polishing your linguistic skills, understanding these phrases can add depth to your conversations and writings. Let's dive in and discover how to climb our way to success, one step at a time. Reaching for the top is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of striving for the highest level of success or achievement in a particular area. This could be in your career, studies, sports, or any personal endeavor. The key components of this phrase, reaching and top, symbolize the effort and the goal, respectively. Reaching implies extending oneself beyond comfort zones, while the top represents the ultimate goal or the highest possible achievement. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts to inspire, motivate, or describe someone's ambitions and efforts. Here are a few examples. In motivational speeches, you must keep reaching for the top if you want to achieve your dreams. In everyday conversation, she's always been ambitious, always reaching for the top in everything she does. In professional settings, this award is for those who are truly reaching for the top in their field. Understanding the nuances of this phrase allows you to use it effectively, adding richness to your language and enabling you to connect more deeply with your audience. Ambition and effort are at the heart of this phrase. It's not just about the desire to succeed but also about the willingness to work hard and persevere through challenges. Discussing examples of famous personalities or successful individuals who embodied this phrase can make the message more relatable and inspiring. Sharing stories of people who kept reaching for the top against all odds can motivate learners to apply this principle in their own lives. We hope this exploration of the phrase, reaching for the top, has been enlightening and encouraging. Remember, success comes to those who are willing to stretch themselves, face challenges head-on, and keep climbing towards their goals. Whether it's learning a new language, excelling in your career, or achieving personal growth, keep reaching for the top, and you'll find the journey rewarding. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you all the best in your endeavors to reach the top in your own life.